derive an expression for compression factor of a gas that obeys equation P into V minus NB is equals to nRT. If pressure and temperature are such that Vm is equals to 10B, determine compression factor Z. If I am taking this equation into consideration, P into V minus NB is equals to nRT, we know that given molar volume is equals to 10B, this clearly indicates this is volume of 1 mole of gas. Volume of 1 mole of gas, that means N is equals to 1 mole. So if N is equals to 1 mole, the equation changes to P into V minus B is equals to RT. P into V minus B is equals to RT. So this clearly is the equation which will be taken if I am taking this equation PV by RT. PV by RT is equals to, if I am taking the total equation is divided by RT, what will be the equation? You will get 1 plus PB by RT, which is taken as Z. Z is equals to 1 plus PB by RT. 1 plus PB by RT. So 1 plus PB by RT, if I am taking this particular one, this is the equation which indicates Z value is greater than 1. Z value is greater than 1. We know Z is equals to molar volume of real gas by molar volume of ideal gas. Molar volume of real gas by molar volume of ideal gas. This clearly indicates if this is greater than 1, that means molar volume of real gas is greater than the molar volume of ideal gas. Ideal gas. So I can write the molar volume of real gas is equals to molar volume of ideal gas plus B. Molar volume of real gas is equals to molar volume of ideal gas plus B, or molar volume of ideal gas is real gas minus B. It is given the value of real gas is 10B is equals to Vi plus B, that is equals to ideal gas value will be 9B. So now if I am substituting this data, in Z, Z is equals to V real by V ideal, that is 10B by 9B. This will be equals to 10 by 9, 1.11. That will be our Z value. So the Z value comes to be 1.11.